Hello class, and welcome to week number 3 of Counseling 570. So let's talk about what we're going to be getting into this week. For your readings, you have chapters 11 and 12. It says Zoom meeting number 2, but let's go back to the home page. You're going to see that that meeting is actually on Tuesday, September 10th at 8 o'clock, so I hope to see you there. Get back to the modules page. If you're not able to attend the Zoom meeting, I will post the recording at a later date, likely on Wednesday morning. Down here below, it denotes to read Jet Berman's chapters 4 and 5. There is a review on human complexity, that you can review it here, a video to help supplement your reading. You have your exam creation discussion board. So this is your group where you are going to start creating your Jeopardy page. You're going to notice that your actual exam questions are not due until the end of week. Well, that's a lie. You are to post your link at the end of week 5. So it's really important that you start reading your article, start creating the Jeopardy page, start connecting and communicating with one another. It notes here how there should be one person that is designated to create and share the Jeopardy login so everyone can enter in their questions, or sometimes I've had folks just say, I'll enter in everyone's questions, decide what you want to do as a group. Each person needs to post at least 5 questions with the correct answer and page number, and make sure that you have this from your designated chapter in the discussion board. And it says not all your questions will be used. It only holds 25 questions. However, for everyone, since only all but one group have 5, everything will be held, and I've already talked to that group as to handle that. There's some tips about creating multiple choice questions, and it notes about how this discussion board is worth, it says 10 points, but it's actually 50 points, so that is a typo. All right, if we go back here, we're going to see that also your peer review for your reference list is due, and it talks about actually, everything that you need to have in here, all the questions that you need to answer, making sure that there's articles for counseling outcome research. If so, which ones? How can you tell they are or are not outcome research? Which one is from an ACA-related journal? How do these articles seem to fit together and focus on a topic? Do they seem appropriate for the client they will be addressing? Your peer will have that description, and make sure that you note any sort of errors. You can write this as part of your review in bullet points if you want, but basically show that you're looking and attending to APA style. Down here below, you're going to see the rubric that I will use to grade your peer review. They're aligned with all those expectations above, and then making sure that you also write appropriately and correctly too. And that is what is due this week. Again, you have the Zoom meeting, you have your readings. Start working on your exam creation and completing your peer review. Make sure you complete it on time, because I can't get into the reference list, the annotated bibliography, until you've completed it. So make sure that you complete it on time, because once that's completed, I will make sure to review them at the start of week 4. All right, that is it. Reach out to me with any questions, comments, or concerns, and I do hope to see you in Zoom. Thank you.